This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by backing up your files and creating a system restore point. This protects you if a driver causes instability. Next, open Device Manager to identify hardware needing updates. Expand categories like display adapters, network adapters, and sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click a device and select Properties to view the current driver version and date. If needed, choose Details and copy the hardware ID's string for precise driver searches by vendor and device. Always download drivers directly from the laptop manufacturer or chipset vendor site. Use your exact model number or previously copied hardware IDs to locate matching drivers. Avoid third-party driver updaters that can install wrong or malicious files. Choose the driver that matches your Windows build and architecture, such as 64-bit. Save the downloaded driver files in a dedicated folder to keep them organized before installation and for future reuse. Install the driver using the vendor-provided installer or device manager update driver option. If using Update Driver, choose Browse My Computer for drivers and point to your saved folder. Follow the on-screen prompts and accept any prompts for administrative permission. After installation completes, restart the laptop to finalize driver integration and optional firmware updates. Finally, reopen Device Manager and confirm the device shows the new driver version, and test the hardware functions for correct operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.